how to withdraw money from Coinbase wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Coinbase, then just simply log into your account of Coinbase. After that, you will be able to see your interface of Coinbase. And over there, you will have to click on this option of settings at the bottom right hand side, and there you will be able to find the option of payment. Just simply click on it, and after that add the payment method of your choice. And if you are looking to add your bank account, then just simply add the details of your bank account. You will be asked various details about your bank details. Just simply provide the true details, and this way you would be able to add the bank account. And this way, whenever you will try to send some crypto, the proceeds will go to your bank directly. Suppose I wanted to sell the Ethereum, I will just simply click on this option of Ethereum, then sell the Ethereum, and all the proceeds from this particular sale will go to the bank account. And this is how you will be able to transfer the money from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account or withdraw the money. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.